Welcome to a flying dog tutorial. In this video, you will learn about background restoration and inpainting. First, we will remove the car from this image. I will try with build and content-aware fill first. You see the result is not usable. I make a copy of the background layer and hide it. Now I use the eraser to remove the car. You can also use layer mask if you prefer. Now I select the scene around it and click on and out painting. As a prompt, I just use street. You will find all links to the images in the video description. In the preview, I am choosing my favorite result. That was easy. In the next example, I want to remove the tattoos and piercing from the woman. With content-aware fill, I am not getting the expected result here. I am using in-out painting now again. Clone layer, hide original one and remove tattoo. As prompt, I am using just the word arm. I repeat this process with the other tattoos. Looks good. Finally, I am removing the piercing. If you want, you can play with this image to add new tattoos or a cap on head with Inpainting, for example. The next tutorial is a bit more advanced, so you might pause the video or replay some parts to catch up. I want to remove all people from this image. I am doing the same method again as in the previous examples at the front of the car. It is a bit difficult to get a good result here because the AI has to rebuild the car, but it works. I tried it at the back of the car and the AI is generating different rooflines, which totally changes the car. I will show another approach now. First, I will use the integrated object selection tool of Photoshop to select most parts of the car. Here at the back, I click on Shift and add a missing part. Now I copy the selected car to a new layer and ignore this one now. I will generate the entrance of the shop without people. Here I have to make sure that the left door surroundings match the right side, and so I make a selection which covers the right side as well. Now after I have selected a nice result, I bring back the car layer on top. Finished. I just have to remove the people on the right side. This is easy. I am happy with the result now. We will do the opposite now and add a person to the image. I clone the layer and remove parts at the bench. As the prompt I am using woman sitting on the bench. There are some nice results here and I choose this one. But as you see, the shadow is not long enough. I will do it again. Okay, it looks better now. Finally, I will put a flying saucer in the sky with the same method. If you are getting a not so nice looking one like sketch UFOs, try to use a negative prompt on the style you do not want to have. This one looks good.